Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. In this one, we're in Deep Agent by Abacus AI, and you have to check out this insane AI agent. I am going to show you how you can create your own app that accepts payments using Stripe so you can literally start earning money, and we're going to do this in just a few minutes. It's absolutely easy to use. All you have to do is type in what you want, answer a couple questions, and the job is done. It is so easy. Your mom can do this, guys. So log in, buckle up, let's go. All right, here we go. So the first step is you want to head over to their website. I, of course, have put a link in the description below. Just click on it, and you are on your way. Once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks just like this. However, here's the thing. I've already gone ahead and created not one, but two different apps with Stripe built in for payments. But here's a couple examples while I got you here. So here's the first one. I went ahead and made a simpler one. I just said, hey, create me an AI website style thing, Paw Patrol, doggy daycare, and it did it all in seconds. And you can see here, this is all the steps that it took. I'll go through this with you in a few seconds. And then here's the one that we're going to create. This is the one that has a little bit more going on here. This is a modern, visually engaging website for an in-person workshop about building AI agents. And look at this. This is absolutely crazy. And here's the thing, guys. It did everything you see here. I did not touch a line of code. I didn't touch a file or anything. We did all of this with just typing in what we want. And it is absolute fire. So this is what we're going to do, and this is what you're going to learn. So click the link, log in, follow me. Here we go. All right, here we go. So we're inside Deep Agent. We are ready to start. The first thing I like to do here is I like to click this open sidebar on the left side. The reason why is you can see here that I've been doing a whole bunch of work with Deep Agent. I use it every day, all day. It really is the real deal. So I'm going to close that up here so all the chats are gone. And then here in the middle, it is very simple. Type in your prompt. I will give you a quick high-level overview of what I've written in here. Here it is. Build a modern, visually engaging website for an in-person workshop about building AI agents. All right, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I'll space this a little better. My overall goal is to encourage maximum signups for the workshop, talk about the event details, the participation, the value that participants will get, reviews from past attendees, etc. This, of course, can be anything that you want. This is just specific for my use case, but you can literally type in anything you want. The big part here, though, is you'll see here I've got a register now button that I've requested, and I'm going to ask it to integrate with Stripe. So not only can we create an AI app or a website or anything like that, you can now integrate with Stripe and accept payments. And literally all you need to do is type that in. There is no coding. Your mom can do this. It's that simple. Here we go. I've got some FAQ sections, etc. I'll go ahead and let you read over that here. I'm going to hit the go button here. It's going to take a few seconds, and then before it finishes everything up, it's going to ask us a few clarifying questions. Let's take a look at them right now. So here they are. They're cooking them up. Let's go ahead and answer them. So I'll do this very quickly. Event details. I'm going to be like, let's go with September... this is September 9th, 2025. We're going to go with pricing. You choose the pricing. Contact information. I'll put my email in, curtis@curtis.com, whatever. It doesn't have to be correct. Just put in whatever you want. When it says here registration process for Stripe, it says yes. After someone clicks register now and pays via Stripe, should the app open Gmail Compose in a new browser tab to email you? Yes. Email me. All right. And the rest, you can go ahead and answer that as you see fit. Now that we've answered their clarifying questions, it's going to go ahead and start the process. So I'm going to come back in a few seconds. I'm going to show you what we got, and then I'm going to show you how to edit it and wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we cooked up. I can already tell you this is fantastic. So let's go ahead here. On the left side, let's start here. You'll see here that everything that the AI agent, Deep Agent, did, you can go through it here. And I've even got some sped up footage in the bottom right corner there showing you the process as it went here. So if you want to see what it searched, go ahead. Here's the images that it looked at. It generated this image. It updated the code here. And yes, you can go through this line by line if you are so inclined. Every file, every piece of code is included in this. And again, go through it, look through it as you see fit. Here we go. Look at this. Like I couldn't even... Dr. Emily Watson, role, data scientist. Okay, company, Google. I mean, This is absolutely incredible. So there you go, guys. You can do that here. Let's go ahead and skim down a little bit here. You'll see here that it's all the steps. It updated what it writ, all the code it wrote. It ran it. It tested it here. I mean, holy smokes. We can now click on the preview button. Oops, I'm going to go ahead and click over here in the preview button, pardon me. And let's look at what it actually did here. So limited seats available, just like I asked it to say. Build AI agents that actually work. It's got a nice dark purple gradient. It's very, very nicely done. This is actually really nice looking. Register now button, which works, by the way. If I click it, watch that. There we go. We get our pop-up. How good is that? I can enter in my information. And yes, it is connected to proceed to payment. So if you want to connect this, you can go ahead and do that. And I'll show you the deploy in a second here. But yes, Stripe integration is a real thing. Literally, all of this was done with zero code. It was just typing. It's just natural NLP. Anyways, pretty and crazy stuff here. Transform your career. They are mastery. Keep going down here. We've got our icons. This looks beautiful. Another option to secure your spot. And then, yeah, there you go. So there we go, guys. I mean, this was literally done in one click. You can deploy this. So if you want to go ahead, it's got a third way to sign up. How good is that? Here are the FAQ questions and a fourth option to sign up. Just like I asked it to do, I wanted to have a lot of different places where you can go ahead and register so that you can make money. Like, this is a money-making app. This is a money-making website. If you want to deploy this, it's actually like it here, and you don't want to make changes, you can click this deploy button. If you want to make changes, like change the colors to a blue and purple gradient instead of the one they have now, just type in the edits that you want. It will go ahead and redo the whole thing. Keep the rest of the app website the same. This is all it takes to edit. Before, you'd have to get out the code editor, and it would take you 3 months, and it would cost you $60,000, or you'd have to take 10 courses to learn how to do this. Now you just have to type. That's how easy it is. But let's go back to deploy. Let's click on the deploy button. We have a few options. Abacus AI will give you a domain if you want a domain on .abacus.ai.app, pardon me. If you want your own custom domain, you can go ahead and add it to your own domain. Or if you have a custom subdomain, like I have kingy.ai, but maybe I have, kingy.agent.ai or something like that, or kingyagent.ai. Those types of things, you can go ahead and do that here. So I could go ahead and click the deploy button, and then I would call this, we call this AI agent Curtis, something like that, and then click the deploy button, and bam, the deployment is on its way. It's going to take a few seconds, but literally that is AI agents. Deep Agent, in my opinion, is the best AI agent. Abacus AI is constantly updating it. They're constantly upgrading it. It's the best of the best. I put a link in the description below. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.